In this video we will do integer data type, and in the previous video we have done what is data type in Java and what are the different data types in Java programming. And among all the data types in Java, we have integer data type also, and under this integer data type we have some different types. The first one is byte, the second is short, int, and the last one is long. Okay, and this first one, byte data type, we have 1 byte memory allocation, and this second short 2 byte memory allocation, and int is 4 byte, and last one long is 8 byte. And this 1 byte is equal to 8 bit, and 2 byte is equal to 8 to 16 bit, and this 4 byte is 8 for 32 bit, and 8 byte is 8 64. Okay, 64 bit. And suppose in the programming language, if we are using byte data type, then we can use any number between these range. This is minus 128 to plus 127. And let's see how to find this minus 128 to plus 127. We have one formula. This is minus 2 power n minus 1 to 2 power n minus 1 minus 1. And this formula is equal to all these 4 data types. Okay, and this one, this minus 2 power n minus 1, this n is the number of bit. In byte we have 8 bit, so we are using minus 2 power 8 minus 1 to 2 power 8 minus 1 minus 1. Then after calculating all this value, we are getting minus 128 to plus 127. And if we are using short data type, then we can use minus 2 power 16 minus 1 to 2 power 16 minus 1 minus 1, and the last is minus 32768 to 32767. And if we are using int and long, then we can find the value between this range, and this long also we can find the value between this range. So this is the way how we can use different types of integer data type in programming language. And in the next video we will do how to use this integer data type in real programming language. Now let's see in the next video.